So you have this perfect AI strategy, right? But your team just isn't using it. Let's dig into why. And hey, it's not about the tech or your business case. It's about something human, something our playbooks totally miss. We see smart, committed people just quietly working around AI. We call it resistance, and we just move on. Our instinct is always to reach for better tools, but this time it's different. That's just not gonna work. We've all got our classic toolkit, right? Cotter, Prosci, McKinsey. These are powerful, proven models. Frameworks like this focus on creating urgency, building coalitions, and communicating a vision for the future. And these logical steps worked because past tech changes were additive. They made roles better. They didn't threaten them. Think about it. Big data made the analyst better. But AI? Well, it completely changes what it means to be the expert. Remember the London cabbies and the knowledge? For years, they memorized every single street. That skill was their identity. And then, boom, GPS and Uber arrived. Suddenly, their amazing skill was just an app on a phone. Which leads to the single most important question. Is this skill something I have, or is it who I am? See, AI threatens three core needs at once: competence, autonomy, and belonging. The human response to that isn't rational. You really can't use these old frameworks for a change that actually requires people to mourn a loss. It doesn't work. So the solution isn't a better plan. It's a totally different set of moves focused on the human experience. So, what do? 3 moves. Name the loss, build a human map, and create a space for people to be honest. And by the way, all this soft stuff, it connects directly to hard, measurable metrics. To really understand success, you have to look at performance across 3 levels: the organization, the individual, and the change management itself. And on the individual level, you're tracking things like speed of adoption, how many people are using the tools, and how good they are at it. And get this, Protus research shows that 76% of projects that track these factors actually meet or exceed their goals. Which all boils down to one critical question. Does your AI plan have a grief strategy, not just a comms plan? Look, the tech will be ready before the people are. That's not a failure of your people. It's a failure of leadership. And the good news? That's the most fixable problem in the room.